Programming has become an incredibly impactful skill, but what does it really take to become a great programmer? Is it simply about knowing how to write code? Well, programming is much more than that actually. It's an art, a craft that demands passion and a whole lot of hard work. In this video, I'll share 5 points that every programmer should know to become a great programmer. Most of the trends I see is newbies are skimming through the base concepts instead of fully understanding them. But to become a great programmer, you need to establish a solid foundation in the fundamentals of programming. This means diving into the core concepts, understanding programming language, and writing readable and efficient code. Additionally, it involves gaining proficiency in algorithm and data structures, which enable you to define and break down complex problems into more smaller and more manageable chunks. But here's the thing, don't stop at the basics. To truly excel in coding, you must embrace lifelong journey. Attend conferences to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion. Engage in online courses that cover a wide range of programming topics and dive into the books. I know it might feel slow and old-fashioned, but books are still the great source to get deep understanding. It's also essential to keep a keen interest in exploring the latest technologies that push the boundaries of programming. Now we all know that practice makes perfect. However, it's not enough to work on projects for the sake of it. Seek out something that genuinely excites you, something you are truly passionate about. Whether it's developing a website for your blogging, building a mobile app that can recommend you healthy recipes, or even diving into the game development. Choosing projects that align with your interests will keep you motivated and engaged throughout the learning process. We all know collaboration plays a vital role in the programming world. After all, two minds are greater than one. Working with others provides an incredible opportunities to learn new techniques and approaches. Join coding communities, attend hackathons, and participate in open source projects to sharpen your skills and establish connections with fellow programmers. Learning how to collaborate effectively is a skill that will prove invaluable in the long run. It not only enhances your programming abilities but also makes you a valuable asset to your team. Let's face it, mistakes are bound to happen in programming, but don't let them discourage you. When you encounter errors or bugs, instead embrace them as learning opportunities. Debugging code can be frustrating, I know, but it also offers a chance to improve and refine your skills. Remember, with each mistake you gain a valuable lesson. Making mistakes is an integral part of the learning process, and the more you encounter them, the better you become at avoiding them in the future. Becoming a programming guru is fantastic, but if you don't share your work with the community, you may never get discovered. So take the time to present your projects to others. This step isn't just about showcasing your work, it's also about receiving feedback, new ideas, and constructive criticism. Embracing this feedback loop creates an environment for continuous learning and growth as a programmer. Finally, always strive for excellence, never settle for mediocrity, keep pushing yourself to learn, practice, and experiment. The world of programming is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to discover. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that come your way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.